Those of you who watched me make this cement hammer, where I've made a mold of a 5-pound sledgehammer and then casted a cement hammer, which is 2 pounds, I now have made, out of the same mold, a urethane foam hammer that's 1.2 ounces, still packs a punch, but you can hit somebody with it and not hurt them. And I'm going to show you how I made it. Get ready. Notice my mold ripped. I had it open so far that it just split. Even if this split in half, I could still do the same thing, casting both halves, putting them together, they'd bond. But I'm on my 4th coat now, and just making sure that it's nicely coated with a release agent for optimum release. All right, so we got the paint dried on both halves of this, and I've used the black, like I said. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use grate foam to make the hammer itself. I'm going to put some of this in first and paintbrush it in, and we're going to put just a little bit in and then brush it in to where it sticks real well. And then I'll put foam in there. So right now, okay, so we got both halves paintbrushed in. And this is just going to make it bond better. That's all it's going to do to the actual paint. If you just sprayed it in, you might not get as good a bond. And I'm just going to put just a little bit more in these corners because that'll be harder to fill. Okay. The moment of truth. I always hate when you're trying something you've never done before, and especially live on the camera, that it would actually come out right. Ooh, baby, please, please, please. Well, that one came off pretty good. So far, we've got a good image. It feels soft, which is what it's supposed to feel like, but now the issue is trying not to break it. I didn't put any reinforcement in the handle, which I normally do, so I'm kind of worried about that breaking. See if I can't. It's got a little slag, just like my other hammer does, but I figured that would. All right, looks like it's almost out. It's not terribly bad. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's feather light. I mean, it is feather light. It can't even weigh a half a pound. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to grind or cut this, do a little sanding, and then from there, I mean, even the top has a little bit of slag on it, but that can come off, and this can be painted. I can hit you in the head with that. It's not going to hurt you a bit. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut that, and then touch it up with some paint, and I'll be back at you. All right, just did a little, I cut with a razor knife. I just literally, oop, wrong thing. I just literally cut that slag off, and then I've lightly sanded it all the way around. There's a parting line, which I don't want, and that's why I'm sanding it, to get that to be smooth. And I put enough thick paint coats on here that it's sandable. And even after, right now I'm going to paint this, and if I still see that line, I'll just sand that paint just a little bit and then paint it again. But it is unbelievable. Now, I haven't ground this off yet, which I'm getting ready to do, but I love my little hammer. I'm going to weigh this and find out what it weighs. It's got to be a fraction of a pound. Okay, I was going to do a weight test on the 3 hammers. This is the original, the cement hammer and the foam. So we'll start out with the, see if I can get that a little closer. So we'll start out with the metal hammer. And we've got 4 pounds, 15.4 ounces, almost 5 pounds as I said before. The cement hammer coming in at, well, 1 pound, 14.6 ounces. The last hammer I did, I think, was 2 point something. So this one's a little 2 pounds. This one's 1 pound, almost 2 pounds. And then the foam one, which I don't even think is going to register, 0.1 ounce, 1.2 ounces. That's amazing how lightweight that little hammer is. Paint. Okay, so I got my foam hammer all finished, and you can't tell where there's any parting lines. If you look and see, remember how we had it on the edge here and the underside? It's all nice and smooth now. No parting line on the hammer itself, the handle. But that's a nice little foam hammer. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and share them. And thanks for watching. Bye.